Hallo mein Liebsten, wrong language. Hi my student, I hope you are doing well. This subject is very yummy. So grab your snack, wash your hands, and let's talk about the American food and cuisine. Editor, roll the credit.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn?
It's over, okay. If we take any other country, it is very easy to define its cuisine. But since the USA is made up of many cultures, various cultures, it's very challenging to have a specific definition for its cuisine. However, American had come up with various type or mix of food that is very original, unique, diverse, homey, comfortable, spicy, bland, formal, and casual. But most of all, when it comes to the American cuisine, it's about the whole. The whole is greater than the sum. Everything is big. Big cups of coffee, big cake, everything is big. And by this country has established several dishes that are example of the American traditional food. Damn, it's a very good definition, huh? Before we list the most popular food in the USA, let's talk about its history. When the colonists came to the colonies, they farmed various crops like corn, and also they farmed animals for meat and clothing in the same way they did in Europe. The colonies' diet depended on the place they were settling in, and also they were very famous for hunting various animals like deer, bears, bison, and white turkey. Going forward through time, during the Progressive era in the late 19th to the beginning of 20th century, food production and preparation became more industrialized. You need to know something, my dear students. The American people never knew what is famine, and it is due to the huge land that they were farming in. In fact, other people that suffered from famine fled and escaped to the United States of America. Now to the best part of this video, the top 10 of the most popular dishes or traditional dishes in the United States of America. Number 10, Thanksgiving. It is a celebration and at the same time the name of the dish that consists mainly of turkey. Number 9, tacos. Yes, it is both Mexican and American due to the huge number of Mexicans that lives in America. Number 8, hominy grits. It is a southern dish that consists of grilled chicken and waffles. Number 7, Texas barbecue. It is grilled meat and mostly beef. Number 6, deep dish pizza. As its name implies, it is a deep pizza that is sometimes called pie. Number 5, drop baskets and sausage gravy. It is a breakfast dish. Number 4, also a breakfast dish that is bagels and lox. Number 3, the hamburger. Yes, it is an American dish. It is purely American. Its name is German. It is the most famous dish in the world, not just in America. Number 2, cream soda. It is a delicious soup. And number 1, apple pie. There is a citation in America that says an American as an apple pie. They also have a day that they celebrate in it pie. It is called the National Pie Day. And this is the end of this lecture. I hope you liked it because I absolutely love it. For my students, don't forget to download the PDF down in the description. Look, it contains 2 pages. The first one is for further reading and for revising, and the second, it contains homework. Yes, stop it, just stop it. Come on, yes. I know. Stop it. Try to do your homework and send it to me on my email or on my social media, mainly Twitter and Instagram. This course is designed by me, your teacher, and Dr. Profuda. And as always, salam. The Moran, how did he do it? Like this, yes. Salam.